Today we will start with a brief tutorial on how to use the TLG Text Search. To do a search in the TLG corpus, click on Text Search in the top bar. There are two main options in Text Search. Simple, search for one item, a string, a word, or a phrase. And Proximity, search for one or more words in proximity. This is also called a Boolean search. Users may search the full corpus or limit the search to a particular author or authors selected from the canon. There are three types of searches: the word index, a lemma, and a textual search. A word index search searches for a specific string, a word or phrase, within a pre-indexed list of all words in the corpus. Because this type of search goes through a list of words, it is a faster way to search the TLG. Lemma search searches for a lemma, a dictionary form, and retrieves all its word forms in the TLG corpus. This search presupposes that the lemma exists in one of the dictionaries indexed by the TLG. Textual search searches for a specific string, a word or phrase, going through all texts in the corpus. For this reason, it tends to be slower if you are searching a large number of texts or the full corpus. The word index search searches through the TLG word index. For example, enter the genitive form anthropou. The TLG will retrieve all the instances of the word regardless of their spelling variants. The search string is treated as a prefix of possible word forms. You can use a space to terminate the word. Word index search ignores accents and punctuation unless the user selects exact search. The new TLG can search not only for words, but also for phrases. In earlier versions of the TLG, phrasal searches could only be done in textual search, which tends to be slower. Let's suppose you are searching for the phrase outa theos out anthropos. Click on Word Index and enter the phrase in the search box. Then click Go. The system will produce as a result any string of characters and spaces that match what you entered. The last word of the phrase may be an incomplete, but the phrase must be exact. So you can enter outa theos out anthropos, or an incomplete string, for instance, outa theos out anthro. Lemma search searches through the TLG lemma database, which contains lemmata extracted from a number of lexica. If a lemma does not exist in the database, the search engine will return no results. In those cases, word index or textual search should be used. The lemma search allows you to choose from autocomplete. If you ignore the autocomplete and your entry returns more than one lemma, a pop-up will appear. You may choose up to 3 lemmata from the pop-up. Textual search goes through the actual text files, character by character, to find the string you have specified. The results will include all words that contain the specified string. So a search for Lego will return not only Lego, but also its compounds, for instance, perilego, analego, and so on, as well as any forms that contain the string Lego. Spaces can be used to indicate the beginning and the end of the words. If you enter spaces before and after Lego, only Lego will be searched. Textual search ignores accents and punctuation unless the user selects exact search. Textual search will be slower than word index and lemma search. It is recommended when searching one author or a small number of authors, or when searching for special characters or phrases. Non-alphabetic characters. This option allows search for non-alphabetic characters such as beta escapes and characters not rendered in Unicode. For example, suppose you are looking for instances of the astrological symbol of Sagittarius, which is beta code number 205. Diacritic sensitive. If this option is specified, the search is sensitive to Greek diacritics, which are otherwise ignored in the search string. Exact match. When this option is selected, the search engine will search for the exact string entered in the search box. Exact match is possible in word index and textual search. Case sensitive. When this option is selected, the search is sensitive to case, which is otherwise ignored. For example, If you are searching for lowercase instances of Homeros, the TLG will return all instances of Homeros, hostage, but not Homeros, the poet Homer. AddScript is subscript. The TLG corpus has not in general resolved AddScript iota into subscript iota. Therefore, AddScript iota appears in some editions. If the AddScript option is specified, the search treats unambiguous instances of iota AddScript identically to iota subscripts. Substring Match. When this option is selected in Lemma search, the search engine will look for all compound forms of the lemma. In word index search, results are displayed as a list, or by word, or by author. The selected display appears in faded color. Display as a list displays all word forms, and word counts as a list. User checks the boxes to display desired results and clicks the Go button. If you display by word, the user can click on each word in the left-hand sidebar to view the results of one word at a time. Word counts are also displayed. Display by author displays word forms and their counts by author. Click on the name of the author to see the use of the word in a particular author. Additional preferences include lines of context, display in Greek or Beta, and sorting of authors in alphabetical order or by date. In Lemma, results are displayed as a list or by the word or by author, similar to word index search, or by grammar. When display by grammar is selected, the user may choose and display results based on the grammatical category. For example, the user may choose to display only nominatives of a form or only nominative plural word forms. Regardless of the search type, all search results are hyperlinked to the grammatical analysis and online lexica. If you click on a lexicon link, the online entry will open up in a new window. If you wish to limit your search to one author, enter the name in the author box. Autocomplete will be activated. The author you select will appear in the right-hand sidebar, and the TLG will return the results for this author only. Additional authors, if selected, will be added to sidebar under Selected Authors. Proximity search allows the user to enter up to 3 words or lemmata in proximity. Up to 50 words of context may be specified. 15 is the default. The same options used in simple search apply to proximity search. The list of word forms are shown on the left sidebar, and the user may choose some or all. Results may be displayed as a list or by author, word index, as a list by author or by grammar, lemma, and as a list in word index. Phrasal search is not available in proximity as of Phase 1. This concludes our session on the text search.